Hello, my friends.
Hey, good morning, everybody.
We are going paddleboarding today.
We are, and guess what? All of our friends are not. They're at work.
So we're heading up to Weeki Wachee River.
Yep.
And it's usually a pretty busy river, so midweek, if you can do that, is the ideal time to go.
Much better.
Still gonna be busy, but...
Yeah, it's a beautiful river, so lots of people want to be there, and so we're going to try to avoid some crowds and get on the river.
See some manatees.
See some manatees.
Hopefully.
Oh, yeah, if all goes well. So that's the plan. Just kind of enjoy a really nice day, relaxing with my lovely bride.
So we also got a new GoPro camera.
We did.
So if you have any thoughts to how the video is looking different, it's better, worse, we'd love to hear it. Anything to improve the channel. Yep,
trying to just give the best quality video and kind of simplify, right? One camera for everything, except for our 360, so we can go like around and around and do cool stuff. So.
All right, I'm excited to get on the river.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
All right.
So we are putting in at Rogers Park.
We are, which is kind of on the west end of the river.
So a lot of people will put in at the state park, but you have to have reservations, and especially when you have your own vessel, as they call it.
Right.
It is hard to get reservations, and even midweek you can't get them because they don't allow as many people on the river.
Yep.
So we decided to put in at Rogers, and
we're going to paddle upriver. And against the current up towards the state park, and when we get tired, we'll just drift back.
And then we'll drift back,
right.
Yeah. So it'll hopefully the sky is looking a little dark.
It'll be great.
All right, we haven't even left, and it's already sprinkling. Rogers Park is a nice place also just to come and swim in the water, but it does get really busy later in the day, so definitely. Keep that in mind when you are coming down this way. So the sun has come out, which is good.
It came out and then went away, and it came out and then it went away.
We just love this river. There's lots of houses on here, and
Yep.
It looks like a fun place to be. And we actually just saw a manatee.
But he was moving fast.
He was moving fast, so we're gonna keep on going and
Yep.
find a spot hopefully to get out and
swim around a little bit.
Yeah. Trying to find the perfect spot to get out and spend an hour or so in the water. This might be a little deeper than we want. He's walking on a log. I promise he's not coming out of the water walking on water. We found the perfect spot. Nice little sandbar, some deep water for swimming, and some shade. We are gonna sit in the water and relax for a little bit.
Okay, going for a swim. It's a little cold. Wish me luck. Okay, it's a lot cold. Woo. It's cold, but it's fantastic. All right, so when you're on the Weeki Wachee, not only can you paddle, but if you want, you can stop and you can get some ice cream. We didn't bring our wallet, so no ice cream for today.
Okay, thank you.
Pretty cool though.
Aw, look at the little guy. He does like my paddleboard. Yep. So we are back putting boards on the car, and this is why you get here early, because people are lined up waiting for spots to park at Rogers Park. But we are done.
And it's a Thursday.
And it's a Thursday. But we are gonna go get some lunch. So right across the street from Rogers Park is this restaurant called Upper Deck. We got a good table, look at that. So that's Rogers Park right there.
Cool.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
So that lunch was really good.
I am gonna have a food coma. I ate so much.
We were starving though. It was like 2 o'clock. It was
Yeah.
a lot later than we usually eat.
Yeah, we spent more time on the river than we planned.
Yes.
Kind of hard to get off the river. It was beautiful.
So beautiful.
Oh, perfect spot.
So it definitely would recommend Weeki Wachee. We love this river.
Yep. And again, a weekday. Even though it's a weekday, the place is crazy crowded.
It is busy.
Yeah.
It is really busy.
Yep.
So if you like the adventure, please subscribe to the channel.
Bloop, bloop.
And we'll catch you guys all on our next adventure.
All right, guys.
Have a glorious
Thanks for coming
day.
along.